Colorado Springs is pretty nice. Dolly! Thunder buttons. I hit my knee. Bye. Chicken, chicken. All right, some chicken in it. There we go. Colorado Springs is pretty nice. I'm not planning on recording too much today. I'm totally gonna just do this on top of the van because I don't know if you can tell, I love that I got all my solar panels working now, but we ain't gonna be able to test them out. But all three have been working really well. So I've got full power, but in about 2 hours, it's gonna start raining and snowing here. And tomorrow it's gonna do the same thing all day. So we may be stuck in Colorado Springs because I'm getting my hair did tomorrow and I got another package coming. So I'm gonna tape this down and I think I'm just gonna go walk around Lowe's. I wanted to do some hiking, but the hikes I have picked out will probably take a little longer than it would. I don't wanna get stuck in the rain and the snow out there. So we're just gonna go walk around Lowe's. Maybe I'll find a mall. I need to get some steps. I'm feeling less than healthy right now. So I feel weird on top of my van talking to a camera. So let's get down, get some tape, and get some steps. Okay? Okay. We just got a hike in at Lowe's. I walked every single aisle of Lowe's, which the whole time I was like, I can't believe I'm in Colorado Springs, which is probably one of the top cities in America to go hiking, and my ass is getting my steps in at the Lowe's. But look at that. I guess we can see what the weather's looking like, and it's starting to rain. Like as soon as I walked out, it started drizzling a little bit, and it's gonna, I think you could tell it's gonna be pretty heavy today. But if you're curious, it averages out to almost 3,000 steps. It took me a little less than 30 minutes, almost 3,000 steps to walk the entirety of the Lowe's in Colorado Springs. It's similar to almost all the other ones. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do is we're gonna head up to a Planet Fitness. I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna go get an upper body workout, even though I do need it. I always need it, but I ain't gonna lie. Driving in the wind yesterday and doing the mountains the way I was, that is an arm workout. My arms are sore, my back too, but feel so much better. My bangs are getting long. So I was gonna go across town to get water, but I'm pretty sure that they have a water hookup right there. It looks like it. And the place it was sending me to across town was also a Maverick. It got cold. We're back at Lowe's. I ran a few errands, got water, all that jazz. And then I started doing a little bit of editing, and it started raining, and it's got that crispness to the air, that snap. That's how you know the snow is coming. And it's supposed to start snowing in the middle of the night for hours. I think we're gonna get a lot. So I was gonna go camp somewhere kind of with a beautiful view on pavement, and then I was like, maybe that's not the best idea. I've never driven Buffy in the snow, and so I figured it'd be smart just to come back to Lowe's because I needed some more propane, because I think we're gonna need it tonight for sure. I think this is gonna be the coldest night we've done so far. It's gonna be like 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's so ironic because I'm currently editing the vlog from Miami, and in that vlog I'm complaining about how hot it is. It's like, oh, it's 80 degrees, I'm cooking my skin, and now I'm like, brr. So do you like that? Brr. But yeah, so we're just gonna hunker down here. I even got her so I can just pull right out. This is only 5 miles away from the hair salon. I'm hoping I can still get my hair done in the morning, but it's only 5 miles and it's a straight shot on the interstate, and it's Colorado. I'm assuming they're good with roads here. It's not North Carolina, because even just the idea, like there might be snow, everybody panics and loses their minds. But people here, I think they just go about their business. They're used to it. So yes, we're just gonna hunker down, hang out here. God, it's so dry. I'm so cottonmouth here. I don't know. I'm assuming you can hear it at least, but the fan is rocking. The weather is calling for up to 50-mile-per-hour winds today, this evening. It's already 30 degrees. It's only 9:30 now. It's supposed to get in the lower 20s tonight. I'm so glad I went and bought more propane, because I have enough to last a good 10 to 12 hours, if not longer. I just turned it off because I'm warm enough. It's almost 60 in here now, but it's calling for 1 to 3 inches of snow. I don't know if you can see it, but it is snowing. Yeah, you can see it. There was no snow there about maybe an hour and a half ago. It's gonna be an interesting night's rest, but fortunately I'm in town, so I feel a little bit safer for that. Okay, wish me luck, man. I can't let the temp in the van get below 40 because the Bluetti will shut off if it's below 40 degrees in here. So I don't plan on letting it get that cold, but if I'm asleep, who knows? I'm gonna be all bundled up too. I'm gonna have 4 blankets, and I've already got 2 layers. I mean, they're thin layers, but still. We gonna be all right. We gonna survive the night, inshallah. Good morning. Gosh, last night was rough. Not because of the temp, honestly. That little guy, perfection. The temperature, it says it's 50 in here. It feels, I mean, I even took off my sweatshirt. It feels warmer than 50. I think it's just saying that because it's on the door. And the door's frozen. Oh, but no, last night was rough because of the wind. Holy crap. Like, it was just shaking the van so bad. It said it got up to 65 miles per hour last night, the wind. But fortunately, it didn't snow that much. It stopped snowing pretty early. So, yeah. But it's supposed to snow today too. I was supposed to be like a bird. I was supposed to migrate. What am I doing here? I gotta get my hair done. I have one more package to get. I hope it'll be here today. And then we'll head south. I was gonna go to Denver. Nah, we'll go back down south. So, let me get up, let me get moving. Oh, this is melting a little. 19 degrees. That's the, what am I doing here? Oh. Oh. It is cold. Look, that's all we got. Turn this down. My feet, the rest of my body is fine, but my feet are frozen. My socks were cold, my shoes were cold, the floor is cold, my toes are cold, frozy toesies. But yeah, I'm super grateful that I thought I was gonna wake up just covered in snow. Brr! Dolly, she followed me to Colorado. From the Smokies to the Rockies, we love some Dolly. Oh man. Yeah, Colorado Springs kind of has, I know this might sound crazy, but it's my opinion. It's my opinion! I was trying to figure out what city this reminds me of, and you know what it is? It reminds me of Jersey City. You wouldn't think so. Colorado Springs and Jersey City, but I don't know what it is. It's like the layout or the vibe or the colors. Definitely not the mountains. Jersey City doesn't have that. They don't have that. They do have the Hudson River, so yeah. Are we here? Oh, I think we're here. Oh, look at this building. Yeah, very Jersey City. I almost said Newark, but I didn't want to insult Colorado Springs. Come for me. I haven't met one person that was like, yeah, Newark's really nice. It's not nice. It is time. Fresh to deal. Okay, we're near the Mushroom Saloon, and what a cute neighborhood. Look, the British Pantry. Here, I'll show you. British Pantry. I think we're in the neighborhood. Cool. I wonder if there's a place to eat around here. I wanted to go to the breakfast spot I went to 4 years ago, but I have no idea what the name of it is or where it's at. So, cool. Thunder and Button. Should we have lunch there? That's cute. There's a French pastry bakery. Oh my God, this is adorable. Thunder buttons. I hit my knee. Ow. I'm trying to warm up because it's so cold, so I was like, maybe I should do a whiskey drink and drink like an adult. It's fine. I won't drink it fast, that's for sure. But yeah, I have a feeling today's gonna be a really good day. I'm having a good time. Everybody's so friendly here too. Woo! All right, that old-fashioned hit. I am a lightweight. Just that what I didn't even make it halfway through before I was like, oh yeah, can you see, do I have any, am I flushed? Yeah, I feel good. And look, it's still snowing. So I was debating on what I should do, and what I'm thinking is we're gonna go get my package because it's been delivered, as I mentioned. We're gonna go up and get some provisions from Manitou, and I have something else very special planned for us. I think I want to leave. I like surprising you guys. We got something real special we're gonna do tonight, and I'm so excited. Oh, I wish I could tell you, but I can't. My hands are tied. I can't tell you. It's gonna be a surprise. So let's go run these quick little errands and hit the road. We got about an hour drive to get to where we're going. I was gonna drive south to warmer climate, but I changed my mind. We're gonna do something else. We're going to colder climates. It's not the North Pole, but close.